Imagine flying through a narrow forest path. You dive off a steep cliff or hover over a massive crowded festival. Now imagine you never have to worry about where your camera is pointing. Welcome to the future of flight. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. Techno Trend Zone is diving into the most anticipated drone of 2026, the DJI Avata. 360 is no longer just a myth or a rumor. It is officially coming to change how we see the world. DJI just dropped their Above It All, See It All teaser. This confirms a massive launch event on March 26, 2026, for the first time ever. We are getting a native 360-degree FPV drone. You won't need to strap a separate camera to the top anymore. This is a game changer for creators and pilots alike. This isn't just a small upgrade from the Avata 2, it is a complete reimagining of what a Cinewhoop can do. The star of the show is the dual-lens camera system. It features two 6.4MP square CMOS sensors. These have a fast f1.9 aperture. What does that mean for your footage? It means stunning 8K spherical video, as you can capture everything around the drone at once. Now, you don't have to stitch footage together in post-production anymore. The drone does all the heavy lifting for you. It saves you hours of work at your computer. You get high-quality, immersive video straight out of the box. One of the smartest features is the rotating gimbal. We all know how fragile 360 lenses can be. When you take off or land, the camera module actually rotates. This tucks the lenses away to protect them from the ground. But DJI took it a step further. They are introducing user-replaceable lenses. If you scratch a lens during a crash, you don't have to send the whole drone back to DJI. You can buy a replacement kit for about €21 and fix it yourself in seconds. This is a huge win for pilots who like to push their limits. You can fly faster and closer to obstacles without the fear of a permanent, expensive mistake. For those who are intimidated by FPV flying, there is a new normal mode toggle. This lets you fly the Avata 360 just like a DJI Mini or Air Series drone. You don't even need the goggles to get started. It makes 360-degree aerial photography accessible to everyone. You don't have to be a pro pilot to get professional shots. Under the hood, the performance is just as impressive. It uses a new 38.6 watt-hours battery. This gives you around 23 to 25 minutes of flight time. That is a big jump for an FPV drone carrying this much technology now. Let's talk about the price. DJI is playing very aggressively here. Reports suggest the standalone drone will start at just $489 or €459. If you want the full experience, the bundles with the DJI Goggles N3 and motion controller 3 will range from $1,199 to $1,500. It is clearly designed to compete with the Insta-360 backed anti-gravity A1, in my opinion. The DJI Avata 360 is the most practical innovation we've seen in years. Most 360 drones feel like experiments, but this feels like a finished tool. The combination of 8,000 quality and the fix-it or self-lens design makes it a no-brainer for content creators. It bridges the gap between high-speed action and immersive storytelling perfectly. If you want a drone that grows with your skills, this is the one. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.